Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating topic of how to change your mind and cultivate a positive state. Life is full of challenges, but with the right mindset, we can transform our thoughts and emotions into a more positive and fulfilling experience. So, let's dive right in. Section 1. Understanding the power of your mind. Before we jump into the techniques, let's first understand the incredible power of our minds. Our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality and influence our emotions. By recognizing this power, we can begin the journey of changing our minds in a positive way. Subsection 1.1 Self-awareness. The first step is self-awareness. Take a moment to observe your thoughts and identify any negative patterns or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Awareness allows us to separate ourselves from our thoughts and see them objectively. Subsection 1.2 Embracing a growth mindset. Next, embrace a growth mindset. Understand that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and effort. With this perspective, setbacks become opportunities for growth and learning. Camera transition. Section 2. Techniques to change your mind. Now that we have a foundation, let's explore some practical techniques to change your mind and cultivate a positive state. Subsection 2.1 Positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are powerful statements that can rewire your brain and shift your mindset. Repeat uplifting phrases like, I am capable, I am worthy, and I attract positivity to program your mind for success. Subsection 2.2 Gratitude practice. Gratitude is a game changer when it comes to changing your mind. Start a gratitude journal or take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. This simple practice shifts your focus to the positive aspects of life. Subsection 2.3 Surrounding yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive influences. Engage with uplifting content, seek out supportive friends and communities, and minimize exposure to negativity. The people and media we surround ourselves with have a profound impact on our mindset. Section 3. Building a positive lifestyle. Changing your mind is not just about shifting your thoughts, it's also about adopting a positive lifestyle. Let's explore some key aspects to incorporate into your daily routine. Subsection 3.1 Healthy habits. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle directly influences your mental state. Focus on nourishing your body with nutritious food, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. These habits boost your energy levels and support a positive mindset. Subsection 3.2 Mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation helps quiet the mind, reduce stress, and increase self-awareness. Set aside a few minutes each day to sit in silence, focus on your breath, and observe your thoughts without judgment. Subsection 3.3 Pursuing passion and purpose. Find and pursue activities that ignite your passion and align with your values. Engaging in meaningful work or hobbies brings joy and fulfillment, creating a positive state of mind. Congratulations! You've learned some powerful techniques to change your mind and cultivate a positive state. Remember, it's a continuous journey, and the key lies in consistency and self-compassion. Embrace the power of your mind and watch as your life transforms in remarkable ways. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay positive.